I've taken you through getting the cushion, creating space, raising up and shooting shot. So that's the threat that you have. Now you have a perimeter jump shot. You're a threat from the perimeter, you're a threat from the outside. He has to honor that. When that's a threat, now you can drive by and get all the way to the hoop. You can finish on a big, you can finish with contact. So those are the two threats you have working for you. Now, to really be a deadly offensive player, you need the third one, which is the mid-range game. I take the defender here. I know he's worried about my shot. I know he's worried about me getting to the hoop. I see the help coming. You gotta dip your shoulder, you gotta go hard. A lot of people make a pull-up jump shot look like this. They go like that. That's not a threat. That's nothing. The guy can steal the ball that way. So when you make this drive here, you're stopping on this leg and you're using this as your control. A lot of guys try to use this as their control and stop it, and they wind up being off balance. Now I just elevate straight up in the air, and I elevate and I finish over the top of him. So now he really doesn't know what to do as a defender. He doesn't know if I'm gonna go all the way to the basket, am I gonna raise up and shoot, am I gonna stop and pull up. That's the key about the pull-up jump shot, is taking him to one spot and then raise up over the top and shoot over.